everyone, welcome back to Continental Food and Cake TV. If today is your first time here, you are highly welcome. My name is Joy Joy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make that yummy, delicious baked potato at home. If you're After that, I mix together until it's well combined. As soon as I add all the seasoning and the butter, it smells so nice. Yummy, yummy, delicious. You can see how golden brown it is, and the inside is not dry. Perfect baked potato. You can eat it with fried chicken, or you can eat it on its own with some ketchup or with some chili sauce. So yummy and delicious. Please try this recipe, and this recipe is for you. It tastes so yummy that you don't want to miss it. If you've not subscribed, please hit that button and subscribe. Support your girl. Turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you'll be the first to get it. Share this video with your friends and family. Thank you as you do so. I love you all, and I will see you in another one. Bye bye.